In this lesson, we're going to learn how to compare proper fractions with like denominators. We're going to start by looking at the outline of the steps that we use to compare proper fractions with like denominators, and then we're going to walk through some examples together. So to do this, you want to first make sure that you can confirm that all the denominators are the same, and then you compare the numerators. This is pretty simple. If the denominators are the same, the numerators can be used to examine the order of the increasing order or the decreasing order. Now let's take a look at some examples. So which of these fractions is larger, 3/11 or 7/11? So what you have here is you have two fractions with the same denominator. Now we're going to compare the numerators. So the question you ask yourself is, which number is larger, 3 or 7? 7 is greater than 3, so therefore 7/11 is larger than 3/11. Let's look at another example. Which of these fractions is smaller? So you have the same denominator, so 2 is smaller than 6, so therefore the fraction 2/11 is going to be smaller than the fraction 6/11. Another example, arrange these fractions in increasing order. We can see here that all the denominators are the same for the fractions. So in increasing order, so what you have here is you're going to arrange the numbers look at the numerators. Which one is larger? You have 1 is the smallest, 5 is next, 7 is next, 9 is next, and then 11 is next. So we have the denominators are the same. And so in increasing order, so 1/9 is less than 5/9. This is less than 19, sorry. This is less than 9/19, and this is less than 11/19. And then our final example, arrange these fractions in decreasing order. In decreasing order, which means we start from the largest to the smallest. Now we need to look for sure. We can see that the denominators are the same, so we look for the largest. So 12 is larger than 8, which is larger than 6, and 6 is larger than 1. Our denominators are the same, 13, 13, and 13. So here, in decreasing order, 12 is greater than 8, 8 is greater than 6, 6 is greater than 1. That's one way to write it. The other way you could write it, which is acceptable also, is 12/13. You can put a comma to show that this is your decreasing order, and that should also work.